It was all in the cookies. Hi everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Homemade Goodies, where we cook good eats and make sweet treats. And if you think there's something fishy about this episode, you're right. We're making walleye today. Although I'm not the biggest fan of seafood, I came to liking walleye in early 2022. I had it for dinner once when visiting one of my aunts in Wisconsin. She then shared the recipe that she used, which was found on the internet. And so, without further ado, let's get cooking. For utensils, you'll need a large pan, tongs, a spatula, a whisk, 3 bowls, a 1-cup measuring cup, a 1/2 cup measuring cup, a tablespoon, a 1/4 teaspoon, a plate, parchment paper, and a paper towel. And for ingredients, you'll need walleye fillets, salt, pepper, seafood seasoning, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, flour, eggs, and cooking oil. First, add 1/2 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of seafood seasoning into one of your bowls. Use your fingers and mix these 2 ingredients together. In your second bowl, add in your eggs. Lightly beat them with your whisk. And then, in your third bowl, add in 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Mix these ingredients with your fingers. After that, pat your walleye fillets dry with your paper towel. Once that's done, dip your walleye fillets into the flour and seafood seasoning mix. Then into your eggs, and then into the breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper mix. Then put the fillets on your parchment paper. Next, add 1/2 cup of cooking oil into your pan and turn your burner to medium-high heat. Put your walleye fillets into the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn over as many times as you need to cook it all the way through. When your walleye starts to flake like this, you're ready to serve. Put it on your plate and enjoy. And voila! Here's walleye. And I hope you enjoyed this episode of Homemade Goodies. Be sure to join me next time. And until then, keep on making. It was all in the cookies.